People are behind me. People are looking at me weird for holding a phone in front of my face, but you know what? It's my new job. Okay, so anyway, hey guys, this is Cookie Caramel here, and welcome to another video. Okay, sorry about my late upload today for yesterday's video, but I had to edit it and stuff, and what was I saying before I got rudely interrupted? I almost dropped my phone. I'm biking with my BFF. Not showing your face. I hate you. I'll edit that out. I got interrupted again. He's way ahead of me. I'm going this way. This is like, I love my bike, except it's like now. So would I. There he is. My hand is upside down right now, like I'm holding it like this. By the way, I can't ride with no hands. If you're just wondering how I did that. Okay, so whoa, I'm sunburned. I just now saw that. Whoa. Anyway, Brian, quit texting me. It's 12 o'clock a.m. and I'm in the hangout. We were all hanging out here earlier, but I didn't get to vlog much because I was doing stuff. I was having fun. Thank you all for watching. Happy 4th of July. I hope you all had a great holiday. See y'all later. Peace out, peeps.